Hi, I'm Derek with AP Lazer, and today we're going to be going over our SN6240 dual laser. So this laser comes with both a CO2 and fiber laser source that can be run in the same job, which means you can engrave any laserable material. It also incorporates our patented open architecture design, so you're not limited by the working area of the machine, the 62-inch by 40-inch working area. Your material can be really any size, which means you can do large objects such as signage, furniture, monuments, but you can also easily do smaller objects like tumblers, keychains, corporate gifts, ornaments, and really any other keepsake you want to do with this machine. So here's our sample piece. This is an 8x10 polished granite tile, which you can find on our web store. And we're going to place this right on our work table, which is great for smaller items to help align this underneath the laser. Now, if you're going to do a larger piece like a granite bench or a piece of furniture or a granite monument, you can slide this work table right out from underneath the machine and slide in your larger item on pallet jack, a monument cart, or even furniture dollies, whatever is easiest for you to maneuver the piece under the machine. We'll start in LightBurn. As you can see here, I have an outline of my tile as a reference to make it easier to line up the job. To start, we're going to first import our 150 DPI image that will run with the CO2 layer or CO2 laser. Next, I'm going to import in our 600 DPI image that we will run using the fiber laser. And I'm going to set these as two different layers with the proper settings set for the respective lasers. Next, I'm going to place them so that they are right on top of each other and align them using these aligning tools. Then I'm going to align them with my reference square. And once that's done here, my image is ready. You can see I have the higher resolution on top. And if I hide that layer, I have the lower resolution image below it. And just to make sure that everything's set up and we're going to get a good output, I can use the preview function in LightBurn to see a simulation of what the machine's going to do. And now that I've kind of double checked everything, we go in here and we're ready to send the job over to the laser. With our intuitive touchscreen interface, we can select the file. Position the laser head. Set the origin and frame the job. Once we have that, we can autofocus. And we are ready to run.
First, you'll see the CO2 source run at 150 DPI. This pass lays down the base of the portrait and creates the softer tonal areas in the granite. Once that's finished, the machine automatically switches to the 600 DPI fiber layer. This second pass sharpens the image and brings out the fine details, things like the texture in her hair and the brightness in her eyes. Using both lasers together gives you a level of definition that's hard to achieve with a single source. After the engraving is complete, we can move on to highlighting the piece. Start by misting the surface with a light cleaning solution like Windex. Then apply a thin layer of white acrylic paint over the top. Use a paper towel or microfiber cloth to work the paint into the engraved areas. The paint will settle only where the laser has removed material, which makes the portrait stand out with much stronger contrast. Finally, wipe away the excess with a clean cloth and the highlighted image is ready. All right, let's go over a few of the most commonly asked questions about the 6240. First, power. The machine runs on a single-phase 240-volt 60Hz AC power. We recommend it be connected to a 240-volt 16-amp circuit breaker. If you're unsure about your electrical situation or need any other accommodations, your sales rep will be able to help. Next, footprint. The overall size of the machine is about 102 inches long, 71 inches wide, and just over 41 inches tall. As for what you can engrave, honestly, there's virtually no weight limit. Thanks to the open architecture design, you can go from something thin like a cutting board to something massive like a granite bench, no problem. Now, let's talk materials. The CO2 laser is best for organic and non-metal materials, things like wood, acrylic, stone, glass, and leather. The fiber laser, on the other hand, is made for metals. Stainless steel, aluminum, copper, brass, even gold and silver. It can also mark certain plastics like ABS and polypropylene more clearly than a CO2 laser. The coolest part is that both lasers can be used in the same project without downtime. On materials like stone, you can actually combine them to create ultra-high resolution images that neither laser could achieve on its own. So you're covering just about every material imaginable with one machine. And switching between the two is automatic. Our custom control board handles everything. You can even run a project that uses both lasers in the same job with zero downtime or manual swapping. Maintenance is straightforward. Just keep your mirrors and lenses clean, make sure your mirrors are aligned, and replace consumables like tubes or optics over time. The ceramic CO2 tube lasts a lot longer than traditional glass tubes, so you'll save on long-term costs. The built-in camera and autofocus make setup really easy. You'll see a live view of your surface, line up your artwork exactly where you want it, send the file to the machine, frame your job, hit autofocus, and you're ready to go. The software is also very user-friendly. We support LightBurn, CorelDRAW, and PhotoGrave. And you'll get full training when your machine arrives. Most people are running projects within a few days. And if you ever get stuck, our tech support team is available 24/7. Our new servo motors give you both speed and accuracy. The machine can run up to 2,000 millimeters per second or around 80 inches per second. That means crisp, detailed engravings in a fraction of the time. And finally, every AP laser comes with a full turnkey package. You get the exhaust system, laptop, air assist, design and control software, lift cart, rotary tool, everything you need to start engraving right away. Plus, lifetime 24/7 support, training, and access to our online community. You're not just buying a machine, you're joining a family of business owners who support each other every step of the way.